Sheree Hinton, and today we'll be talking about hiring a tax preparer. Many taxpayers can't wait to file their taxes, especially if they're expecting a refund. The BBB advises you to check a preparer's BBB business review before you sign a contract. That way, you can avoid firms that have a lot of complaints. There are also scams and some common mistakes that you can avoid to get your taxes done safely and without delays. One of the most common scams comes in the form of an email that's supposedly from the IRS, saying that there's a problem with your return. The IRS does not use email to tell people about problems with their returns. They use regular mail. If you get an email about your taxes, simply delete it. Never enter any personal information like your social security number or bank account number in response to an unsolicited email. Some tax preparers offer tax refund loans, which allow you to leave the preparer's office with a check or debit card in the amount of your refund. The BBB advises consumers to turn down these loans. Most are high-interest loans, and you get your refund only a few days faster than an IRS direct deposit. The BBB has 6 tips for hiring a tax preparer. First, ask your friends for referrals, but check companies out at bbb.org too. Second, check the preparer's credentials. Is the preparer a CPA, a tax lawyer, or an IRS enrolled agent? Will the preparer sign your copy? Tip number 3, be wary if a preparer promises you a big refund. Until the preparer knows your situation, there is no way to know if you will get a refund or not. Tip number 4, ask how you can contact the preparer after tax season in case you have a problem. Some tax offices are open just a few months. Tip number 5, read any contract that you are asked to sign. Ask what the service will cost, what it covers, and whether the cost will change if your return is complicated. Will the preparer represent you if you're audited? Tip number 6, check your return. Make sure all the information is correct before you sign it. It asks questions about anything you don't understand. And finally, make sure you do sign the return. The IRS says that failure to sign a return is one of the most common reasons for a delay in processing a refund. And remember, the BBB is here to help you if you run into any problems. You can always file a complaint or get more consumer tips at www.bbb.org.